We'll move on to the next problem, problem number 3. This problem is a bit different from the previous two problems. Instead of one business here, you have two business in this, firm A and firm B. There are two business organizations. In that situation, how to evaluate or how to interpret the results we are going to learn here. So we have here particulars, firm A and firm B. Sales for firm A given. Variable cost is given in percentage, 40% and 30%. Fixed cost is given, interest is given. So we have to calculate leverages and earnings available to equity shareholders. So we will go by that at present. So first one, we'll take the sales for firm A and firm B. I have made two columns here that we will take it up. Sales 20 lakhs for A, 30 lakhs for B. And variable cost, they are not given in amount, they are given in percentage. Here for variable cost, percentage is given instead of the amount. So they have given 40% of sales for A, 30% of sales for firm B. We will calculate that. 40% of 20 lakhs is 8 lakhs. And 30% of 30 lakhs is 9 lakhs. So the contribution for A 12 lakhs, for B 21 lakhs. 30 minus 9, 21. So we have got the contribution here. Next move on to fixed cost. Fixed cost is given in the problem and no need to calculate any. 5 lakhs for A, 7 lakhs for B. The result 7 lakhs and 14 lakhs. It is EBIT 7 lakhs and 14 lakhs. Then less interest. Interest is also given in the problem. 1 lakh for A, 1 lakh 25,000 for B. So 7 minus 1. 6 lakhs, 14 lakh minus 1 lakh 25, 12 lakh 75,000. So we have got EBT and tax is not given in the problem. Again we need to assume, we cannot say tax is not there in the economy. Every country will usually have, especially India, we have tax. So I am taking 30% on EBT for both the companies. I am assuming 30%. So 30% of 6 lakhs, 1 lakh 80. 30% of 6 lakhs, 1 lakh 80. 30% of 12 lakh 75,000 is 3 lakh 82 500. So if I minus the tax, 4 lakh 20, 8 lakh 92,500 for B. So please remember assumption. So EAT I have got, no preference dividend here in this also for both the firms. So I will carry EBT, I carry EAT as it is 4 lakh 20. And 8 lakh 92,500. So I have completed calculation of EAES, earnings available to equity shareholders. Now we'll move on to the leverages part of it. Operating leverage for A as well as B. I am continuing the two columns as it is. C, we have here 12 lakh and 21 lakh. Then EBIT 7 lakhs and 14 lakhs. So here I get 1.71 times for A and 1.5 times for B. Now how to interpret in this situation? Interpretation between A and B. Which company is more riskier, which company is less riskier? We can do conclusion other way also, but we are comparing here two different firms, so how to go about? So if you see for A we have 1,71,000. For B we have 1.5 times. So here, which company or which business is under more risk? So if you see, firm A has more operating leverage than firm B. Firm A is having more operating leverage than firm B. Therefore, firm A has more risk compared to firm B. So A is more riskier than B. We can continue other way also. B is having less, so B is having less risk compared to A. We can do in other way also, conclusion, reverse it. Next I will move on to financial leverage. EBIT 7 lakhs and 14 lakhs. Then EBT 6 lakhs and 12,75,000. So if I calculate financial leverage 7 lakh divided by 6 lakh, I get 1.166. Here I get for B 1.098 times. So when you look at this and compare and try to understand which company is under, which business is under more risk, again firm A is having more 1.166, 1.098. So compared to both, firm A has more financial leverage. So again firm A is in more risk, more opportunity and more risk. When risk is more, opportunity is also more. Therefore, firm A has more risk compared to firm B. So in the leverages we have to understand more risk, more profit is possible there. Next I will move on to combined leverage for both the firms. C, that is contribution 12 lakhs and 21 lakhs. EBT 6 lakhs and 12,75,000. So if I calculate the leverage here, I get 2 times and 1.64 times. So here you can also see again firm A is having 2 times compared to B, A is having more. So same conclusion will come here also. Firm A has more combined leverage than firm B. Therefore, overall, firm A has more risk compared to firm B.